It's Thursday night. Let's get ready for the weekend. I just came back from work. I feel disgusting. And so I thought I would document how I like reset. It's not really like a maintenance vlog and it's not really a glow up. It's just me like recovering physically when I've been working. This is where I've been working. So I'm going to take you through what I do. Part of this vlog's going to be this evening because I'm going to try and get loads of this out of the way, and then the rest of it's going to be tomorrow. So, okay, first things first, I'm going to shower. I'm not taking this hat off because I don't even want to think about how bad my hair looks. My trousers are caked in mud. So let's go. Okay, so we're at the shower. For the next bit, there is a formula, okay? You're gonna get comfy socks, and then you're gonna get moisturizer. I'm using almond milk body butter from the Body Shop. I don't think I've actually used this shit, so. And then we're moisturizing the part of our body that we're gonna forget about now for the rest of this period, which is our feet. But this is my version of a foot mask because I'm not gonna go pay £5 to actually buy a foot mask. I know we just showered, but wash your hands. Next, you're gonna do your long drawn out version of your skincare. So this is what I do when I'm feeling really extra, but I don't want to do a face mask because I don't have the energy. It's 11 p.m, like I need to go to bed. So toner first, bio oil, hyaluronic acid. I'm feeling dehydrated, so Mario Badescu facial spray. Nope. Oh my god. Obviously, if you're going outside, SPF, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna go straight to moisturizer. I'm using the Clinique for Men, that's why it's blue, because I don't think my boyfriend uses this, and I don't think he's noticed that it's been going down for the last few months, so I've been stealing his moisturizer. And then, yeah, if it was a bit earlier in the evening, do a sheet mask or something. Next, you're gonna go get your biggest bottle of water that you can find in your house and fill it with ice cold water. That is also very important. I wanna wake up feeling like every single pore is fully saturated. So I'm gonna see if I can down this. I don't even think this is a liter. I don't think so. Lash serum, I'm using the Ordinary again.
Obviously this step doesn't take effect immediately, but it's like good maintenance. Next, I'm going in with some vitamins. This is probably not an overnight effect either. Oh my god, they're so hard to swallow. But it's just a general thing that I like to try and do. Next, I'm moving on to my hair. I use leave-in conditioner first, like for my hair, and then also to help me comb through it because it's kind of getting long now. Also, another general glow-up thing I do is scalp massages because I'm really trying to grow out my hair. Like, I kind of like to get it belly button length if I can. I try and get all parts of my scalp, and it always also gives my hair like a bunch of volume, so no complaints.
Okay, now I'm gonna put some scalp serum on. This is Lee Stafford Grow Strong and Long Stimulating Scalp Serum. I've been using this on and off for a couple weeks because I'm just trying to grow my hair out a little bit. Nothing like crazy. Again, this isn't necessarily something that I'm gonna notice tomorrow, but it's just like sort of half maintenance, half like regular getting back to normal. I'm gonna shower this out in the morning so it's okay, but honestly this particular one, I haven't noticed that it makes my hair greasy somehow, even though I'm putting scalp oil in. So this one is actually pretty good. Would recommend it. It's a bit early to be seeing a difference, but I mean, my hair is still growing. Like, this is the longest it's ever been, and it's not falling out yet, so I guess that's good. So let's move on to the tanning part now. I'm gonna use 2 drops, no, you know what? 1.5 drops of this tanning serum that if you guys watched my week in my life, you'll know that I have had a really bad experience with this serum. Only using 5 drops. I'm really scared, but the other day I did put like just 1 drop in and it was fine. The only thing is this takes like 3 days to come off, so like I'm not messing around with it. Like, I looked so dumb on set the other day. So dumb, because my face was like bright orange. It looked so dumb. So be careful if you're experimenting with tanning. Don't do it before you're working with a brand new crew for the first time the next day, which is what I did. You might have noticed that I haven't moisturized any of my body. That's because we're gonna fake tan now. I exfoliated all of my old tan off in the shower. So if you tan like me, then don't do a moisturizer. Apparently doing a moisturizer before your tan isn't good. So I'm gonna take all my jewelry off and then get to tanning. It is a Thursday night, so it is the traditional night for doing a tan. Honestly, like, a tan just makes me feel better. And when I feel better, I'm so much more productive. Like, my mood is better just from looking better. I don't know how that works, but yeah, so if I'm ever in a slump, it will normally correlate with me needing to do a fake tan. That sounds really bad. Like, I'm not addicted. I'm not getting like darker and darker each time I do it, but I do just like the feeling of it. You guys know I use Bondi Sands, the light one. Before I do this, I'm gonna go dry my hair so that I don't wreck the tan that I do on my back. And then I think I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, so that's the tanning section done. I am so freaking tired, but I'm gonna power through. So, okay, if you wear a retainer, this is when you're gonna get your retainer and actually like put it in instead of forgetting every night, which is what I do. But full teeth brush, the full shebang, tongue scraping. I don't actually have a tongue scraper, but I'm thinking of investing in one. But this is where you do your whole like flossing, water pick, the whole thing there. There's no point doing all this skincare if you're not going to look after your mouth.
When I first started working, because our hours are so long, I used to take a little toothbrush kit to work. I don't know if that's like OTT, but it basically just had a toothbrush, toothpaste, and then one of those like travel Listerines. It was the best. I don't even really know why I stopped doing it.
I'm hydrated. I'm a bit sticky from the tan, but I feel so much better, and I'm already halfway through. Maybe not even halfway through. This is like a third of the way through everything I'm gonna do. So tomorrow morning we're taking care of a wax. I'm gonna get some eyelashes. I need to get some more makeup, and I think that's it. There'll definitely be something. I'm gonna sort out, like, I ate at McDonald's tonight. I feel awful, so I'm definitely having a smoothie tomorrow morning. And probably gonna try and avoid caffeine, so we'll see how long I can go. But yeah, so this is part 1 finished. Stay tuned for part 2. No, I'm kidding. Part 2 is right now.
Boom, there she is, nice and orange. So I showered and I exfoliated and moisturized after this one because I wanted to make sure my tan would last. Then I did my really basic makeup routine. I have a few tutorials of this on my channel. Only because I was going out, so I kind of wanted to look presentable. I know when I go out without makeup on, I just feel even crapper. So I'm done there. Then I blow dried my hair and just put it in a ponytail and was ready to go. Okay, I'm on my way to get a wax. It's raining, the camera won't focus. I'm on my way to get a wax. It's pouring, but I've been in the rain for the last 3 days, so I'm kind of used to it by now. I'm going to try and go to the gym afterwards and get a smoothie or something. Okay, so obviously today was not the day for a glow up because it rained the entire way into town, but at least I got a good view. First thing, I got a I think I got scrambled egg and avocado with a little cortado, trying to be a bit healthy, and then I started at the gym. I've been doing a really basic full body workout recently, and it's just been working way better than like doing leg day and doing arm day because I hate working out my arms, so I would just always skip it. Anyway, next I moved on to my nails. They were in dire need. Don't judge me, I work with my hands. What I always use is this Cutex Hydrating Cuticle Oil before, and then I wash it off, and then I start on my nails. So here, I have pretty short nails. Like, I'd love to get nail extensions, but it's just not practical with the job I have. So I always try and do my best and just like paint my short nails and like deal with it. But it is pretty upsetting when I see anyone on Instagram with those like long fake nails because I just want them so bad. So that's what I'm working towards basically. Okay, the vlog continues. My hair is still, we're not even paying attention to this. So my nails are done. My fake tan looks gross on my hands, but like whatever. So I went shopping and I bought way more than I should have. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. This first thing is a cuticle rehab oil balm for your nails. Because I don't know what's wrong with me, if I have some kind of deficiency, but my cuticles are always dry as heck, especially at work. So it's just cute and it looks so over the top. Like,
I'm not gonna lie, if I could find like a smaller, cuter one, I would, but anyway, so yeah, this is pretty good. Honestly, the best thing is these little like oil brush things, but they're really not transportable. Like, they're not transportable at all. Thing I got was also for my work pouch. It's just a little Vaseline rosy tinted balm thing. I haven't tried this, but Vaseline always comes out with like cute little lip balms. Like, they had a lip oil, they still sell it. Like, I quite like it. It was cute. It looks like a little lip gloss. Oh my god, it's so red. For a second I was like, no, but actually that's the natural color of my lips. So this works out quite well. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, next thing is an absolute holy grail, which I'm rebuying for like the bazillionth time, is the in-shower moisturizer that Nivea does. This one's, it's like water activated or something, and I'm really lazy when it comes to moisturizing when I get out of the shower, so if I can do it in the shower, I will. This is the best, and it's always sold out, so I finally managed to get one. Next, I just had to rebuy the face wash I've been using recently, which actually isn't fancy. This costs like £5. I really hope it's not ruining my skin, but it's Boots' own brand, and it's tea tree and witch hazel. When I have more money, I will be buying better skincare, but for now, this is what we're dealing with. I rebought this. This is hands down the best makeup I've ever used. Like, I have this NYX thing, but it's just so thick and it always gets like weird and cakey after a full day at work. Like, after 11 hours, it doesn't look good, but this always looks good. So I rebought it in my proper shade this time. Next thing, I have fully been influenced. This is from L'Oreal, and it's got the same kind of container as those Drunk Elephant moisturizers that people always use in TikToks, you know, when they're like, when they do this. Wait. I love it. I actually need to apply moisturizer, so this is perfect. This, although this is it's a bit weird. This is water cream. All of the packaging on the outside is in like Lithuanian or something. I swear I could not read a word of it. But this is apparently hyaluronic acid plumping water cream for your face and neck. So I now have this. I feel like a cool girl. My plan is to just keep that container and keep filling it up. Okay, and now the main event. I got little wispies. So when I was getting my wax today, I asked the lady, because I've been wondering about getting eyelash extensions, so I asked the lady like what kind of things they, like what kind of treatments they do and how much they are, and my god, she said every 2 to 3 weeks you need to get like infills, and it's about 60 to 70 pounds a pop every single time, every 2 to 3 weeks. I was like, I think I'm gonna go to Superdrug and buy some fake eyelashes, which is exactly what I did. So I got these. I have used these before. Like, I don't really like using the full eyelash thing. Maybe I have small eyes, but they never seem to like fit my eyes. Okay, my camera died, so we're gonna do this again. But yes, so these are called Bambi Wisps. I think the look I'm going for is just like no makeup but eyelash extensions. Like, I'm not gonna do full glam. It's a Friday. I don't have any plans. Oh my gosh, this lash glue is black. What on earth? Why did I get black lash glue? This is not going well. Oh my god. It's the stupidest. Black lash glue is absolutely not where it's at. I mean, I can understand the appeal. Why did I get black lash glue? So I got some remover. Black lash glue, Emily. This one looks pretty nice. Anytime I'm playing with lashes, I always feel like I look like a toddler who's gotten into their mum's lipstick. Oh man. I wish I learned these skills at like 18. I don't even want to show them close up. I feel like this looks so crazy, but I'll sort out the eyeliner on this side once I'm sure that this is actually dried. The lashes look so like pretty though. If it wasn't for the like super dark eyeliner and like my slightly better application, I feel like these would look amazing. I hope the general takeaway can be black lash glue is not a good idea if you're going for a clean girl aesthetic. I now have like Amy Winehouse wings. Lashes, 10 out of 10. Eyelash remover, 10 out of 10. Eyelash glue, 0 out of 10. It's not a good idea. I've made a mess. Okay, next up is hair. I'll come back when I've finished my hair. I'm just gonna add some blush. And I think I'm good to go. I haven't done that much makeup just because it's a Friday night, like I'm just chilling. I'm not doing anything crazy, but the eyelashes do make it look like I'm going out, but I'm definitely not. But I feel, compared to 24 hours ago, I feel like a different human being, like genuinely. Anyway, you guys, if you made it this far in the video, then please subscribe. I had a lot of fun filming this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe if there was any helpful tips, I hope you got something out of those. Otherwise, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!